Welcome to the Purrfect Recipe Remake, where cooking meets catitude. Meet Juliet. She's sweet, sassy, and totally extra. Especially after Eid. And that's Romeo, smooth, sneaky, and always snack ready. And me? I'm Ike, your chef on a mission to turn sweet cravings into smart, cozy creations. Let's get into it. Juliet, seriously, I told you to go easy on the Mithai. Now look at you, stuck like a gulab jamun on the floor. Romeo, stop laughing. Help her up now. Oof, these cats. Too much Eid. Not enough cardio. Okay. Enough drama. Come on, Juliet. Let's get you up. Now, instead of more gulab jamuns, how about this? Frozen yogurt. Cool, creamy, and perfectly guilt-free. Try it, Juliet. It's not Mithai, but I promise it's good. See? Told you. Healthy can be tasty too. Oh, you like it? You want to know how I made it? It's super easy. Just a few ingredients. Come on, I'll show you. Okay, Juliet. Step 1. Take 16 ounces thick, full-fat Greek yogurt and give it a good stir. We want it nice and smooth before adding anything else. Now add just a little vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. It gives our yogurt that creamy dessert flavour without the Mithai guilt. Next, add a quarter cup of honey, just the right amount of sweetness to balance the tangy yogurt. Now pour the mixture into a loaf pan and spread it out evenly. Smooth out the top with a wooden spoon or spatula. Cover it with plastic wrap, nice and snug, and pop it into the freezer. Let it chill for a few hours, just like Romeo after a snack. After 30 minutes, take it out of the freezer and place it on the counter. Now give it a good stir. Scoop from the sides and mix it all through. This keeps it creamy and smooth, not icy. Once it's stirred, put it back in the freezer and repeat this every 30 minutes for about 2 hours. Each time it'll get thicker and creamier, kind of like magic, but colder. Romeo, can you not steal her frozen yogurt for once? Oof, I should have made a double batch. Well, at least they're sharing now. A little sweetness is fine, as long as you don't forget to share it. Thanks for watching Purrfect Recipe Remake. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned. The frozen yogurt dance battle starts now.
Yeah. Go on. Yeah. Juliet boli, yeah me tight. Romeo bola, you wait all night. Ikne kaha, time for a twist. Frozen yogurt, feel that bliss. Julia. Greek yogurt, Tora vanilla, sweet banai with Tori honey miller. Juliet nache, fridge ke pass. Romeo chill kare, full swag class. Like right, 50 and go nache lady. Ma 50 ko the hell you the nache lady. Chitty ganda me be in and pull it ayake. Play 50 kati hi bali ayake. Is that how to read your word tera frakte hai. Mara pogi tak ke mara vada lagte hai. Roni Julia go me khile te kiya. Juliet Goliath almost look a sia. Juliet boli, yeah me heighty tight. Romeo bola, you ain't all night. Ikne kaha, time for a twist. Frozen yogurt, feel that bliss. Julia. Julia kalava chal Goria. Juliet boli, you look like a kite. Romeo bola, you ain't all night. Ikne kaha, time for a twist. Frozen yogurt, feel that bliss.